अभी तक जो ओएस की प्रोग्राम्स हम लोग लिख रहे थे, शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग या फिर सी प्लस प्लस के प्रोग्राम्स जो कि ओएस के साथ इंटरफेयर कर रहे हैं, वो चीज़ विंडोज़ में करने के लिए उबंटू ना खोलना पड़े, हम विंडोज़ में कर सकें, उसके लिए एक सिंपल सी चीज़ डाउनलोड करनी है, वो है काइग्विन। ये चीज़ मैं करके दिखा देता हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट CYGWIN काइग्विन, ठीक है। साइट पे जाएंगे और यहाँ पे सेटअप x86 64 exe लिखा है, इसको आपको इंस्टॉल कर लेना है। वंस यू क्लिक ऑन इट एंड इंस्टॉल, ये अपने आप हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ये सेटअप सा आ गया, सेटअप पे क्लिक करके स्टार्ट कर देना है, ठीक है। अच्छा, वन थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू इज़, आपको इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखना है। अच्छा, ये शो कर सकता है, विंडोज़ शो कर सकता है कि दिस इज़ पोटेंशियली हार्मफुल, ठीक है। तो आपको इसका इशू लेना नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि विंडोज़ किसी भी फॉरेन चीज़ को जिसको डाउनलोड किया जाए जो कि ओपन सोर्स है, उसको हार्मफुल समझता है, बट ये बिल्कुल भी हार्मफुल नहीं है। थ्रू आउट द ग्लोब कई सारे डेवलपर्स इसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो वन थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू इज गो टू सी ड्राइव, देन यूजर्स, देन वट एवर यूजर यू आर, okay, and create a folder named Cygwin-installer. Okay, this is one folder that you have to create. Then again, coming back to this setup wizard, we click on next, install from the internet, right? Next, again we have to check the root directory, it's C Cygwin64, let it be as it is, and we click on install for all users. All users means all the users that are on this computer, unless and until you want to do it otherwise, okay. We have to keep it all users for our case, ठीक. Then select the local package directory, that is the folder that we made. We have to simply browse on it. How we'll do it is go to this PC, C users, then this is, then whatever that Cygwin installer is was, ठीक है, okay. So I have selected this already. Then next, click on direct connection, next. Now it will ask of which site do you want, so I'll simply click on http:/mirrors.163.com. this is for India. All those people who are in India, this server is the best for you, since it's associated in China, right? For other people, like people from Syria or anywhere they're coming from, I don't know, they can check for the closest server to them using Google, okay. Simply search for whichever server is closest to their location of Cygwin, ठीक है. Then we click on next. It will do something. Then this thing will come in front of you, category, okay. ऐसा कुछ wizard आपको दिखाई देगा. You will simply have to click best in here. It's already selected in mine. Click do a search, that is GCC, okay. Enter, and just click on this plus sign, okay. You will see certain things. There is devil, okay. Click on plus again. Then you have to click GCC core, ठीक है, and this drop down menu, you will see a number written as 9.3.0-2, okay. There will be a number, since it's not showing just because I have installed it already, okay. You have it installed, you will see a number 9.3.0-2. Similarly for GCC minus G++, you'll have to select the same number 9.3.0-2, okay. Once it's done, you simply click next, okay. I won't click next because I have already installed. I don't need to install. You simply click next. It will ask for something like this and click on next, okay. मेरे में कह रहा है uninstall, you will see install, okay. Now you will have to click next. It will start downloading. It will take approximately 10 minutes, and after that it's all done, okay. At the end there will be a wizard that will ask you do you want to create a start menu folder, or you can also create a desktop shortcut. We just have to create the desktop shortcut. We don't need any start menu folder, okay. Click on that option, click next, okay. I won't be proceeding further. You people proceed, cancel, okay. So something like this terminal will show up in your desktop. There will be a shortcut named as Cygwin terminal, right? What we have to do, you have to write a command, that is cygpath -w and whatever this sign is, I guess tilde naam hai iska. So yeah, so we get this location that my particular Cygwin path is here. We have to simply copy it by right clicking, copy, go to PC, we paste it here, enter. We'll dive into this location. One thing that you have to do is open VS Code in here, open with code. Okay. If you don't have this option of opening VS Code by right clicking, okay, if you don't have this option, you can simply do one thing, is open VS Code, click on file, yeah, open folder. Okay, now type here, paste it here, okay, that location, select folder, it will simply open it for you. You'll get this file. Okay, what you have to do, you have to simply write a program, let's say test.c, wrote the code. Okay, now you can do one thing that you have been doing till now, that is Ctrl+Shift+B or whatever the run button is. Okay, we don't do that here. Okay, since it's for OS, we need a rather different approach. That is, we click on we go back to the terminal, Cygwin terminal, and write ls. All the commands that are there in Ubuntu, it's working here. See, there is a folder, there's a directory os-c++, and there is a file that is test.c, which simply have to run test.c. Okay, it created a a.exe file. Acha, you have to remember one thing, that in Ubuntu we get a a.out file, here we get an a.exe file. So what we have to do, simply /a.exe. That's a binary executable file. It's in form of exe. In Ubuntu, it's in form of .out. Sorry, yeah, that's the extension. Simply we run it, it's all working. Get it? That's one thing. The second thing that we'll do is create a shell script. Okay, the one thing that you can do is create a shell script. Let's say I made let's say Ankit.sh. Simple. Okay, I wrote echo, let's say subscribe to code decipher. Right, I made a script. You can do anything you want. I'm just showing an example, okay, of printing a script. See, ls, we see there is an Ankit.sh. okay, ls -s. Okay, we have all the read, write, and executing access for this particular file. Now what we'll do, we'll simply /Ankit.sh, right? Subscribe to code decipher. The shell script is also working, and the test file, the C file is also working. This is all about running your OS programs, that is a shell script or a C program that is interfering with the operating system. This all can be done using Cygwin terminal. This was the process. All the best. If you need any help, there's a comment section down below. You can ask for anything. I'll make another video just for clearing your doubts. Yeah, bye bye.